All right. Now look at how noisy this chart is, and so we've scrolled it back so you can get an idea of what the chart looked like before the major price run. Here's your left shoulder, little spike in volume. Here's your head. It's really sloppy. It's all over the place. I probably wouldn't go so far as to call this a head and shoulders bottom, but as you look at it, you can see the on balance volume line is clearly building through this area. Here's your smile and the volume. You've got a volume spike coming into both ends. You have a clearly definable entry point. And if you can't see it, let me show you. There it is. That's your clearly definable entry point, based off of a break of the trend for the last 3 months. So let's just watch it and see what it does. So it rockets from $1.87 all the way up to $7.97 in a period of a couple of weeks. And then it goes into an area that we're going to call a coil. And if you look, while it's in this coil consolidation, through the whole time period it's in this coil, right here's the start of it, and you have a low on balance volume. And if you were to draw a line through here, you can see on balance volume has gradually gone up all the way through this time period. And you have all of this activity in here. And that's a good indication the stock is going to continue up. Chart patterns that look like this, like these coils, have a tendency to be continuation patterns anyway. And so you want to trade this as on a breakout of the coil. So you probably would go long around 1056. And as you can see, you get a good explosion coming out of that chart area with high volume. And the price is just going crazy. So we broke out of that area, 1045. It made a high all the way at 50. But you probably would have got stopped out if you were trading my system around 28 or so. But you still doubled your money. And you have another opportunity to right here to trade it again. So if you would have traded it again, you could have popped in at 34, and it is at 50 right now. And you have a nice, strong on balance volume